Hello friends, welcome back to my AIML series. Myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arcoin. In the previous video, we saw how machine learning models suffer from overfitting. But how do we actually fix it? The answer is regularization. Okay, regularization is a technique used in machine learning to prevent overfitting. Okay, so in this video we will understand regularization in machine learning and also learn about two important techniques. One is L1 regularization, also known as Lasso, and another is L2 regularization, known as Ridge. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Step by step I will discuss today's topic elaborately. So let's get started. Hello everyone, today I will discuss regularization in machine learning, right? Regularization is a technique used in machine learning to reduce overfitting by adding a penalty to the model, right? It includes two techniques. One is L1 regularization, also known as Lasso, and another L2 regularization, also known as Ridge. Okay, now we talk about what is regularization. Regularization is a technique used in machine learning to prevent overfitting. It works by adding a penalty term to the loss function, which helps the model avoid learning noise and focus on the actual patterns in the data, right? Why is regularization needed? Complex model can lead to overfitting, and regularization helps to control model complexity, right? Key idea: penalize large weights to simplify the model, and key point: regularization helps improve model generalization, right? Now talk about L1 regularization, also known as Lasso. Lasso, the full form is List Absolute Shrinkage and Selection Operator, is a linear regression technique. It uses L1 regularization to prevent overfitting. Okay, key idea: adds absolute value of weights as a penalty, and the formula is like that: the loss equal to RSS plus lambda multiplied with the summation of absolute value of weights, right? Here the RSS stands for residual sum of squares, and this RSS indicate the error, lambda indicates control, and this is the weight, right? RSS actually measures the total error between actual values and predicted values, right? So the loss function is equal to this RSS plus lambda multiplied summation of absolute value of weights, right? Now the key feature performs feature selection by making some coefficients 0, and key point automatically removes less important features, right? Now we talk about the L2 regularization, also known as Ridge. Ridge is a linear regression technique. It uses L2 regularization to prevent overfitting. Key idea: adds square of weights as a penalty, and formula similar like L1 regularization is concerned. Loss equal to RSS means residual sum of the squares plus lambda into sum of the square of the weights, right? And same way the RSS is represented as error, and lambda is the control, summation of square of the weights, penalty on large weights, right? Now talk about the key feature: reduces magnitude of coefficients, means shrinks weights, does not make coefficients 0, and key point: keeps all features but reduces their impact, and helps in reducing overfitting and improving model stability, right? Now we just compare between L1 and L2 regularization. So the features like penalty in case of L1, absolute in case of L2 is square. Feature selection for L1 means for lasso yes, for ridge is no. Model type sparse for L1 and smooth for the L2. When to use regularization? Use L1 means lasso when dataset has many features, need automatic feature selection, and use L2 means ridge when all features are important, need stable and smooth model. Okay, so let's move to the Google Colab and implement regularization in machine learning step by step. Okay, so now I'm just within the Google Colab workspace and the code is already written. So at first the step 1, import libraries. So we import NumPy for creating and handling data, Matplotlib for the visualization, sklearn uses for polynomial features, for model complexity, and ridge and lasso for regularization. Use warnings for suppress the warning for cleaner output. Okay, so in that respect we just import this module NumPy, Matplotlib, submodule pyplot, sklearn, and the warnings. Okay, so we just stop the warning, means we just suppress the warning, just write this line, use the method filter warnings. Okay, the step 2, create the dataset. So here we generate a sample dataset, we create random input values, sort them, and then generate output using a sine function with some noise added, which help us demonstrate overfitting and regularization. Okay, so in that case we use random.seed, np.short, and np.sine, right? Step 3 is the polynomial features, means high degree the overfitting is concerned. Okay, so here we convert our input data into polynomial features with degree 15, means overfitting is concerned, and which increases the model complexity and can lead to overfit. Okay, so here use here polynomial features, and then we use the method fit underscore transform, right? Now the step 4 is that the models. Here we create the 3 models. The first model is simple linear regression, which may overfit. The second is ridge, which use L2 regularization to reduce large weights, and the third is lasso, which uses L1 regularization and can even remove less important features. Okay, so we use here linear regression, ridge, and lasso. Okay, and the step 5 is train models. Now we train all the 3 models using the same dataset. We train the linear regression, ridge, and lasso models on the polynomial features. Okay, so fit the models with the same dataset, right? So we just train the all model with the same dataset. Okay, now the step 6 is create test data for curve. So we generate a range of values to visualize the model's predictions and apply the same polynomial transformation, and this help us clearly see how each model fits the data. So in that case we use here linspace, reshape, and the transform, right? Step 7 is predictions. So here we predict the output using linear regression, ridge, and lasso models. We also print the coefficients to see how ridge strings, weights, and lasso can make some of them 0, and these clearly shows how regularization simplifies the model by controlling the weights. Okay, in that case we use here the for the all model the predict this method, and then we print the ridge coefficients and the lasso coefficients. Okay, and the last step, step 8, plot the graph. So here the red line is the overfitted model without regularization, and the blue line shows the ridge regularization, which reduces model complexity, and the green line shows lasso, which not only reduces complexity but can also eliminate less important features. So regularization helps us move from an overfitted model to a more generalized and stable model. So in that case we use here figure, scatter, plot, title, X label, Y label, legend, and show. Okay, now we just run this code, just press this button. So it will take some time to generate the result. At first it generate the ridge coefficients and the lasso coefficient, and then generate the graph for the 3 different parties concerned, for no regularization, ridge, and lasso, right? So just generate the result here. Ridge coefficient is given, lasso coefficient is given, and this is the graph where we compare the regularization. We are just comparing actually the ridge versus lasso, means L2 versus L1. Okay, so these red lines, actually this no regularization means overfitting. This blue line shows the ridge, means L2 regularization, and this green line shows the lasso, means L1 regularization, right? The red curve shows the overfitting, means no regularization, The blue curve is the ridge, means the L2 regularization, which is smooths the model. The green curve is the Lasso, means L1 regularization, which also simplifies the model and can remove unnecessary features. Okay, so regularization controls model complexity and helps achieve better generalizations, right? And should remember one thing, it's very much important to remember, regularization reduces overfitting, but too much of it can cause underfitting, right? I hope you have understood today's video on regularization in machine learning, and it includes two important techniques. One is ridge for L2 regularization, other is Lasso, which is L1 regularization. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcane for more videos. So today up to this, thank you and bye bye.